Ryan Filler.
Oh, you got it.
I think he might have a nice one. Or a big old clump of moss on there, one.
Oh, well, dude.
He's a nice one.
I might go down there and help him out. He's decent, man. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good
Nice one.
piggy.
Piggy, piggy, wiggy.
He swallowed it, bro. Did he?
We didn't know which one had it. So I was like, get him. It's a nice one. Shoot, yeah.
Yeah, that's a good dude.
He's a thick one.
Yeah, man.
Good there. Shine it over to him. Yeah, there you go. Yeah,
That's a
buddy.
good one.
That's a good one right there.
Piggly Wiggly.
That
Let me get
is
a
big one.
2-second live photo of that, too.
He was going to go to sleep here about an hour ago, but not now. Heck